Good morning, guys! Welcome to my vlog! My name is Varshansi Badasco, grade 1 SSES Ruby. Today, we're going to talk about the parts of the school. Come on, guys! This is my school, Alang-Alang Mansinta School. The first part of the school is the principal's office. This is the place where principal work. Cantina. Pupils go to the canteen to buy food and eat their meals. They learn properly, use good manners, and talk quietly with their friends. After eating, they throw their trash in the bin and keep the canteen clean. This is the library. Pupils come here to read books and study. They keep quiet, handle books carefully, and return them properly. After use, the library helps the pupils learn and enjoy reading in a calm place. This is the clinica. Our clinic is still closed, so I am outside. Pupils come here when they feel sick or get hurt. The clinic helps keep pupils safe and healthy in school. This is the Silid Aralan. These are the classrooms. This is the place where the learners listen, think, participate, and practice so we can learn better. That's all for today. Thanks for hanging out and listening.